Hey guys, I'm Daniel, and today we're going to clean up this car. It's been a little bit neglected. We've done our very first video, which wasn't even supposed to be a video, and that's what got our channel kind of started. We kind of detailed the car. That's the last time we ever detailed it. I don't think we waxed it in between, so it's been almost 2 years. So my son got his driver's license yesterday. Yes, all this time he was on a permit. He was driving the car. Our deal was 300 hours behind the steering wheel or he doesn't get his driver's license. So he got the hours behind him. We did a couple of courses that were out there that helped him out, which was great experience for both for him and for me. And it's time to hand over this car, like the keys for real. I won't be touching it anymore other than a repair video here and there. But it's got to be nice and clean and detailed. There's still some damage. Remember this? Yeah, that's been on there for about 1.5 years now. So finally today it will come off. And we'll see. Maybe we'll learn something. Let's get to it. Here we go. We got our first wash done. For the second wash, what I like to do is use one of these fine surface prep mitts. It's kind of like a clay bar, but it's not. It's doing a pretty good job. It's so much quicker than a clay bar. I would love to clay it, but that's going to be a 2-3 hour process, and I just don't have the time. This is great. I bought it, somebody recommended it to me. I've used this probably about 5-6 times now. It's still doing a good job. And all you do is after your car is washed for the first time and it's nice and clean, you just go over it again and this will take off. This has really weird texture, but this will take off little things that are embedded in your paint, and so we can get on to polishing the car. So let's do it. So as you're applying this, it feels rough to begin with. And then as you go back and forth just a couple of times, it starts to become a lot smoother and it feels like you're wiping down glass. And what you do is you go and get a bucket of suds for lubrication purposes, like you would do on a clay bar with a spray. Some regular car wash in some water and you're ready to go. And this is really feels really weird as it starts out rough, and then as you rinse the glove it becomes smoother, so it's going to be a lot faster than clay bar. So I like to leave the wheels for last because they're the dirtiest, but then they need a lot of attention. Alright, now that the car is clean, we gotta take a layer of paint off where the damage is. From the painting job that they did, there's a little bit of overspray, so we gotta smooth that out, we gotta take some off, and then we gotta put the wax on, so let's get to it. So I was only gonna do one panel with the paint correction and then go on with the wax. The problem is, it's looking so much darker and richer in color. I think I'm gonna have to do the whole car. So tip of the day, don't start a project if you're not willing to do more work, which I'm about to do. now that we're done taking off the oxidation layer with correcting cream, there's no protection on it right now. So what we're gonna do, I really love this. I've been using it for a couple of years now. It's the liquid gloss poly wax. I guess it's a synthetic wax, and it lasts 6+ months. So we're gonna go ahead and apply a layer of this. I'm gonna use the machine because I already got it out, but it is really easy to apply and remove by hand. I've done it many times before. So I'll get to it. Alright, check it. So the car is done, and the next step I want to do is apply glass sealant. Now, I sell and install shower enclosures for a living, and every time I install one, customers ask me, what can I put on there to protect it? Well, in a shower, it's a different environment, right? There's only so much you can do. And what I usually tell people, put some car wax on it. It will do a pretty good job if you maintain it. Now, on a car, sometimes you get lucky, sometimes not. I've had car waxes where once you apply the windshield wipers, it smears the whole window. And with the one from Griot's or Griot's garage that I'm using, I never had any issues. But I got this recommended by a friend, and they said it is absolutely amazing. So I've never tried this before. If it works here, I'm gonna try it on my shower enclosure as well, and we'll see what happens. So let's go apply it.
Has a few spots I gotta still go over, but it's good. You like it?
Just in case you wondered, why did he have a permit for 2 years? When he turned 16, when I got the car for his birthday, the insurance would have costed $4,800 for 6 months. So the agreement was my son is gonna drive at least 300 hours. He did more than that because he drove me around all summer for 2 summers. And when I looked for insurance a few weeks ago, I'm like, okay, he's turning 18. How much is it gonna cost when he turns 18? Come to find out, it's only $1,100 for 6 months, which is still more that I'm paying for both my wife and I together. If I would have bought him a brand new car, something cheap like a Kia Soul or a Honda Civic or a Corolla, the insurance would have been even more, because if something happens to this car, they're just gonna write it off and hand me a check for what, 3, 4, 5,000, who knows, whatever it's worth. Whereas a Corolla, if something happens and it's totaled, you're now looking at 10, 15, 16, 20,000. So it is cheaper to get a used car, and in a couple of weeks he's turning 18 officially. He's gonna have insurance, we're gonna pay for it for him, and he's gonna be out on the street. But I got one more thing that's gonna go in the car before I hand it over.